Welcome to Tech Hints for Authors and Bloggers. My name is Barb Drozdowicz. Today we're going to talk about formatting text in a blogger post. What we have in front of us is some obviously fake text, and we're going to play with it and learn how to format it. Anything that is to be formatted needs to be highlighted. So let's highlight this first bit here, and then we're going to look up above it, and this is the line of the choices for formatting. So for example, we can change the font. We can make it Arial. We can change the size of the font. Let's change it to largest. If we save it and then look at a preview, you'll see what kind of difference it makes here. Okay? Let's look at the rest of the choices that we have. I'm going to highlight this whole area here. The next choices are fairly common: bold, italic, underline, and strike through. These are probably choices that you have used at one time or another in a word processing program. We have the ability to change the color of the font. So we'll use the example of changing it to red here and then have a look at it. Just because you can change the color of the font doesn't necessarily mean you should. So for example, when we look at this here, making it red doesn't necessarily make it any more readable. And if you start changing every second paragraph to be a different color, you'll create something that's a little bit hard on the eyes. So let's change this back to the default. And we're going to talk about one more functionality that I really like, and that is Blockquote. So when I click here, you'll notice that it squishes the text in. Let's save it and look at it live, or the preview, which is sort of live. So what Blockquote is isolating the text, separating it from the rest of the body of text, and in some cases, depending on the theme that you have, changing the actual look of the font or the color of the font. The point of this is to isolate a special section of font and show it off. Often when I create book reviews on my book blog, I will put the blurb of the book in a Blockquote functionality. So if we go back, have a look at the choices, try this on your blog, and see if you can add some variety in the formatting of your posts. Have fun!